Hello ma'am, myself Jyoti. My register number is UR15CH052. Today I am going to explain how to find the odd number from the given number. This is the program for finding the odd number within the given number. So we are inside the main we are using a scanner for entering the data. This is like a command line, and then after that int sc dot next int for entering the data, and first I initialize whatever the number I will give, that should be equal to a, and c first in initial condition c should be equal to 0, and then inside I am going to use while loop. Inside the while, first it will check the number is greater than 0. If number is greater than 0, it will come in a if condition. If the value what I have given, it will calculate with mod 10, and it will give something value, and that value will be mod with 2. If that value should be equal to 0, if this loop won't work, it will come out the loop again. The number will decrement. Again it will go inside the while loop. Again it will check, and again condition it will check until the finish. And then if the number whatever number have given, if not equal to 0, then c inside the if part c will be increment, and then that value again what the value will come after calculating with mod, it will give that value, and in last it will calculate means how much odd of elements inside the given number. Now I am going to run this program. It's asking enter the number, so I am going to enter some value 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So inside 9, 7, 5, 3, all these 3 are odd number, so it is showing the total odd numbers is 4, and then 9, 7, 5, 3 inside this is odd number. Thank you. Hello ma'am, myself Jyoti. My register number is UR15CH052. Today I am going to explain about how to swap the two values without using the third variable. This first I given two variable x and y, and now I am going to enter the value, some value x and y, and a scanner. Why we are using a scanner for giving from user to give the data, and then x and y, and then system.out. First whatever I have entered, that will show before swapping. After that after swapping, this calculation will done, and first whatever enter x and y, it will calculate, and inside the x it will store. After that what the x becomes now from x, y will be minus, and now again y becomes the new data, and after that in this here it will come, and x whatever the x is there and y is there, that value will be a minus with both, and then it will return some value inside the x. Now x and value will be changed, and it will show after the swapping this value printed. So now I am going to run this program. It asking enter the value. Now I am going to enter the value x equal to 4 and y equal to 5. So first it will do the condition from here. First 4 plus 5 equal to 9, and then now x becomes 9 minus 5, y becomes 4, and then after that 9 minus 4, x becomes 5. So after the swapping it will show x equal to 5 and y equal to 4. So this program is compiled and running successfully. Thank you.